It's time for a scientific twist on a backyard classic. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need a pizza box, tape, tinfoil, plastic wrap, a skewer, black paper, a box cutter, a marker, and a ruler. Start by using your ruler to draw an outline around your pizza box. You want this line to be about an inch from the edge of the box. You will make this line on 3 sides of the pizza box. Do not trace on the back edge where the fold of the pizza box is. Now it's time to cut the top flap of your solar oven. Very carefully use the box cutter to cut on the lines that you drew with the marker and the ruler. You will be left with a flap that opens on the top of your pizza box. Take your tinfoil and cover the front of the flap. Wrap it around the outside of the flap and tape it on the back. This flap will be used to reflect light into the solar oven. Next, open your pizza box. On the lid, where the square has been cut out for the flap, take your plastic wrap and completely cover the opening of the box. Use tape to secure the plastic wrap to the sides of the pizza box. Make sure there are no holes for heat to escape. Now it's time to add a layer of tinfoil on the inside of the oven. Place the tinfoil on the bottom of the pizza box. You can tape it into place to hold it securely. Grab your black paper and line the bottom of the box over the tinfoil. Now you're ready to get cooking. Take your solar oven outside on a sunny day. If you're making s'mores, put the graham crackers down first in a piece of tinfoil. Then, put the marshmallow on top of the graham cracker and the chocolate on top. Close your solar oven. Position the flap using the skewer so that the light from the sun is best reflected into the oven. Now it's time to wait. Let's talk about the science behind this activity. The heat from the sun is trapped inside your pizza box solar oven, and it's going to start getting really hot. Rays of light are coming to the earth at an angle. The foil is reflecting the rays, and as it bounces directly into the opening of the box, through the plastic wrap, it's heating up the air that is trapped inside. The black paper is absorbing the heat at the bottom of your oven, and the tinfoil is making sure that the heat stays inside. On a sunny day, the solar oven can reach to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. When you notice that the chocolate has melted and the marshmallows have started to puff open, it's safe to say that your s'mores are ready. Use graham crackers to complete your s'more and enjoy. You don't need a fire pit to have s'mores, just a little bit of creativity, patience, and some scientific thinking.